Welcome fashionistas, let's dive straight in the world of DIY bangs. 1. Korean Whispy Bangs. Our first trendsetter is setting the stage with her own take on Korean Whispy Bangs. Korean-style bangs have been widely popular worldwide due to their signature look that adds a youthful and soft appeal to any face shape. Korean bangs typically have a straight-across, slightly wispy, and see-through style. To achieve the desired effect, it's important to cut the hair when it's dry, as wet hair shrinks as it dries and might end up shorter than expected. Cutting the hair slightly longer than the desired length allows room for adjustment. A common method is to cut upwards into the hair to create that feathery effect. 2. Long curtain bangs. Moving on, here comes our girl with long curtain bangs. With her triangle parted, she's going for that Bridget Bardot look. A key tip here, don't go in horizontally with your scissors. It's all about the vertical cuts. Slice upwards into the hair and see how the bangs instantly start to curtain around her face. And look at that wispy face framing layers she's created. It's like soft tendrils framing her face. Super glamorous, super easy, and definitely worth a try. Three. Bottleneck Bangs. Now we're switching gears with the bottleneck bangs. Our brave home haircut enthusiast is looking to create that funky retro vibe. She's sectioning off the middle part of her bangs, cutting them shorter than the sides, and voila, the bottleneck effect. The key is to ensure the length transition is smooth from the middle to the sides, and the result? Those statement bangs are seriously turning heads. 4. Baby bangs. Next up, are you bold enough for baby bangs? Our daring DIYer certainly is. With her hair brushed forward, she's trimming her bangs above the brow. And ladies, remember, when cutting baby bangs, less is more. You can always trim more if you need to, but there's no going back once you've cut too much. The finished look? Edgy, chic, and absolutely rocking the baby bangs trend. 5. Whispy Bangs. Whispy bangs are next. They're the lighter, airy cousins of the traditional bangs. And our next trendsetter is all set to take them on. The key here is to keep it light, keep it feathery. With a light hand and a quick snip of the scissors, she's creating the dreamiest, softest bangs. And notice how she's holding the scissors at an angle to ensure that wispy texture. 6. Curly bangs. Alright, now onto the territory that most fear to tread, curly bangs. Embracing natural texture is a bold move, and our curly girl here is all about that. With her hair dry, she's sectioning off her bangs and snipping away cautiously. Remember, with curly hair, it's all about shrinkage, so always cut longer than you think you need. And look at those bouncy, playful bangs. This is proof that curly hair and bangs are a match made in heaven. Seven. Curtain bangs. Last but definitely not least, we've got another take on curtain bangs. The secret sauce here is the perfect face framing cut. Starting with the middle part, our trendsetter is trimming her bangs at an angle, shorter in the middle and longer at the sides. It's all about creating that perfect curtain around her face, and the result, an effortlessly chic look that accentuates her features beautifully. So there you have it, 7 women, 7 different styles of bangs, all done from the comfort of their homes. So the next time you feel like a change, why not grab a pair of scissors and try one of these styles? Remember, beauty comes in all shapes and forms, and as we always say here at Fashionistas, be your own kind of beautiful. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay fabulous.